Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Bonanza. 2 weeks ago, Bonanza dropped us 2 direct live. Today is dropping us another 2 direct live. So let's go straight on to this. But should in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to Korewa Ghana Lotto Forecasters channel, the best place when it comes to online prediction. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, before you go watch the video, just smash the subscribe button and please turn on the notification bell. We don't post videos every day. We post only when we have exclusive content for you to view on our YouTube. And if you find value in this content, please like the video for me. I'm not getting enough likes, so please just like the video for me, subscribe and share. I believe you must have been chatting with me on my WhatsApp, so there's another information for WhatsApp. I'm supposed to discuss yesterday's video here, but I won't because I didn't post it on YouTube. But if you too want to get my games on daily basis, +23470107314. if it's from outside Nigeria. From Nigeria, 070107314. That being said, guys, let's go straight into this plan. It is national for Bonanza. In the year 2021, on national board at event 3048, 70 to play first ball machine. The following week, 42 would play second ball winning. Second time working this in the year 2025 on Bonanza's board at event 898, 898. The same settings, 70 in position, 42 to also maintain position, second ball winning, first ball machine. After setting these two numbers in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks down, 41 will maintain fourth ball winning, 6 weeks down. After setting this game in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks down, 41 would maintain position. Now, after 41 maintain position on this place, it's telling us to go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 weeks down for the one on national from 41. He said 37 is going to play in center ball machine. Now, on Bonanza's current, from 41 in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let me take it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 weeks down, 37 to play center ball machine. After 37 maintain center ball machine, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 weeks down again, 49 will play last ball machine. From 37 in center ball machine, 7 weeks down again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 weeks down, 49 to maintain last ball machine. Now, when 49 maintain last ball machine, 1 2 3 4 weeks down, 70 should maintain fourth ball winning. The same 70 that played in this position, first ball machine, should move to fourth ball winning. 1 2 3 4 weeks down from 49 in position. And right here from 49 in position, 1 2 3 4 weeks, 70 obeyed and landed in position. Now, after 70 maintain position, from position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 weeks down, 59 will play first ball winning, 67 will play center ball machine. From 70 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks down. 59 will play first ball machine. 67 will play center ball machine. After playing these games, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This game supplied us 79. Before 79, 31 played. On board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31 plays. After 31, it supplied us with 79, making this was the place that supplied our winning to be 3 numbers. We had this as a 2 direct on a separate plan. I'll be posting this one as it is supplying us another 1 banker for today. It's just supplying 1 banker because it kept the 2 short it supplied us in position. This was the game that set us with 79. Now after 31, 79, after 31 and after 31 and 79, last week 58 would maintain position, play with 51 in position, center ball. On this one as well, after 79, 58 to maintain position, center ball winning, last ball winning, 51. Now when it plays these 2 numbers, what is it supplying us? It is landing us on this event 13, 20, 82, 43 and single 7, and it's giving us a bonus today. What's the bonus is giving us? First of all, before we go, don't forget the pattern of forecast I used to teach here. When you get on an event, remember this has worked for us severally. When you get on an event like this and you see a number that plays, the number repeats again, that number is a banker. Now not just because it plays and repeats is why I'm picking it as a banker here. 37, remember 37 in position. If 37 in position is to counter, it will supply us 82. It's telling us 82 is our banker on this event. 82, use against 82 against all odds. Now after picking 82, the next strong line is single 7. What is supplying us with single 7? It started the plan by 70 to position. It said 70 will jump to position. Now it's telling us 70 is going to turn to play with 82. 70, 82. Strong line to show. And the second one is telling us 58 in position to counter to 13. The 31 is supplied us with to turn will still give us 13. So before we go to discuss what I have for WhatsApp, if you know you are not the type that like to see the end of this video, you can cut it now. My prediction is already displaying on the screen right now. But if you know you are the type that want to know where you want to put your money in, I still want to spend another around 1 or 2 minutes with you. But before we go to that, if you find value in this content, if you like this content, if you actually be one of the people that wants to see what I want to explain more on this event to watch out for, if you're not one of them, just go. I'm still proving the same event. If you're one of the people that want to stay, please like this video for me. It helped me reach wider audience. Like this video now, share it with your friends. Now guys, I don't want us to lose this golden opportunity. I've said it. If you don't have data, please end the video here. I've shown you what I want to show you. Observe something on this event. This event is dropping us a 3 direct live today. 41 in position. This 41 in position was the one that supplied 58 to position. Don't forget 70 in position was the one that supplied 41 to position and it landed in position. Can you observe something on this? 70 in position, aside the fact that I proved 82, as a banker, when you see it, it must repeat. When it plays and repeats, it's a banker. 70 is supplying us 3 direct live today and is playing them close. 82 single 720. 3 numbers close. To play again, if you code again, is group 7 again. 82 single 720. That aside, 37 to counter, still proving us 82. Aside that, 79 in position. 79 that played before 31. Do you know that 79 was also supplied by 41? That was why I just picked what it supplied me on the event to use with what I have for my WhatsApp. Now, this game against 79 is still proving to us banker 20 and it's still proving to us single 7. 79 is proving 2 direct. 70 is proving 3 direct, same numbers. So thank you for coming to watch this video. If you find value in this content, like this video for me, share it and subscribe. If you have not been chatting with me on WhatsApp, you've been missing a little. +23470107314 is the number to chat with me on WhatsApp with. And until I see you guys again, do enjoy the rest of your day. I wish us good luck. See you on the WhatsApp. Our 2 direct plan has a 1 banker key today. So if you've not been chatting with me on WhatsApp, it's absolutely free. I don't charge anything. Just because the policies are there. The policies on WhatsApp is not that much. I can use any words I want to use. Unlike YouTube, that I have to watch whatever I say so that I don't go against the YouTube community. So see you on the WhatsApp side. Good luck.